what's up with y'all? We in a Charger. As you can see, we on our way. We on the freeway. In a nice car. Red, beautiful car. Red guts. As y'all can see. What I like about this car is, you know, it's red. It got red guts. Really fast. Comfortable. We just taking a ride. She wanna change the front, you know, of her 2014. She want the 2015 on up front end on it. We're gonna give y'all some content when we do that. We'll be doing this shortly. I'll be installing it for her, so.
It's a project car.
It's a project, like she said. Just trying to, you know, get things together. We got a lot more cars coming to the channel. A lot more. So, just be on the lookout for it. Just ride. We want to put some wheels on this car too, guys.
Some rules.
Some rules, as she say, rules.
Not no shake daddies.
Shack daddies, huh? We going? Let's put some shack daddies on here.
I don't want no shake daddies.
Nah. You only want Ruchis? What about 4Gs?
I'll take some 4G
Yeah.
4G
4G autos.
I call them 4G
Yeah, that's your language. Yeah, we just on the freeway rolling. Just came to see you, you know. We went and seen a house. I'm not gonna tell you where, but we went and seen a house. I don't want y'all at my front door looking. I'm just playing, guys. But I ain't gonna tell y'all though, for real.
Did you see what the mat said on the ground? Did you see it?
What the what?
The mat said. You know,
Where?
when you first walk in the house. It said it had a gun on there and it said
Enter you.
it said dare to enter something like it's a gun in here. It said something like you better pray you don't walk in.
I didn't see that.
Yeah. I meant to tell you to look at it when we had walked out.
to make the car, sound a little throatier, but woo, woo. You see that, guys? She switched lanes on us, guys. Woo, she rolling. Let's take a ride with Miss over here. I'm just sitting back enjoying the ride. Enjoying the conversation I'm having with you guys out there. Can't get copyrighted. I want to play some music, but I can't. So, whoo, y'all hear that? Whoo! Snap my head back, y'all. We in the yak, y'all. We getting there. I could talk to y'all like that. You guys don't know what the yak is.
They from Detroit. They should know.
Yeah, if some of you guys are viewing it from Detroit, yeah, y'all probably would know, but we in the yak. We close to the yak town. But that ain't where the house is. Y'all thought I was finna give it up. No, sir and ma'am. I can't do it. But as I say, we just chilling, taking a ride. I need a thing to hold my phone to the the windshield so I can give you guys more content. So I'll be buying one soon, shortly. POV. That's what we doing. So give them the peace sign. Okay. Well, I just wanted to do a short video and get used to doing this. You guys, I'm new to this anyway. I'm doing it with my phone right now. In the near future, I'll have me a GoPro. So, I'm gonna get it together now. Alright, so I'm about to end this video and go chill out. So, thanks for everybody supporting me, and I'll get back with y'all soon. Alright? Whip gang.